Hello, welcome back to BLENDERSUSHI live noding. In this video, I'm going to do a quick one. It's a trick that you can do using animation nodes and Blender cycles. Okay, basically we know that Blender comes with a Blender render and cycle render and Blender game engine. And with the Blender render, you know that we have this option for object color right here. And basically, if we give it the right material and turn on the object color, we can specifically give a different color for different object. And this is super useful if you want to do like a just a quick box with color, and you don't want to and you just want to use a single material with a different color variation, so you can do it this way. Yeah, but if you're switching to cycles, this thing will actually stop working. Cycles cannot read the object color, I don't think. And if you try to do it in compositing, we don't have options that can do color per object, except that we know that we actually have this attribute that can work with a per vertices basis. So if we switch to vertex painting and do a little bit of coloring here, just random one, this thing will actually work. But this is a per vertex basis. However, we know we can actually use that, even though it's a little bit overkill, we can use the vertex color for per object per base. Basically, the idea here is to look at the object color and then pass the color into the vertex color. So every vertex color will be colored the same, and then render it out. I think we should be able to see something here if our material is correct. Let's see. Use nodes. Use turn on ambient occlusion. So yeah, that thing is working. The rest of them fail to work, and they become just black color because they don't have any vertex color data. Okay, let's turn on animation nodes and use this trick. Select these 4 objects, and then I'll group it, and I'll jump to animation nodes and create a new node 3. I'm gonna get the objects from group. So we have our group, and there are 4 objects in this case. I will turn off always, turn on this 3. Now for every single object, I will use the loop, tap W, and then loop through objects. For this guy, we want to get the object color here. This guy, object color. See, each one of them is different. Let's just use the object attribute input. We want to specify color attribute and grab it from each object, and then simply pass it to vertex color. Set vertex color. So now if we plug this to that guy and plug this into this guy, the color from each object will be passed into this vertex color, and hopefully this works right away. Apparently it's not working yet. Let's switch back to animation nodes, to cycles, and then have a look. So we have color, update it and render. We don't see anything. Oh, okay, I know. I think I might have done this wrongly. Okay, I know why. Because object color is RGBA, and let me quickly debug this. Debug drawer and debug loop. Let's check this out. So it's a float, 4 color, it's object color 0001. That's interesting. I think the conversion must be maybe something wrong with the conversion here. Try using a separate vector, combine color, say RGB. Check out the color. Okay, that seems to work now, and let's have a look. Okay, we have the color, which is yeah, that's a little bit weird because this maybe this is just a little bit of bug. Supposedly we can just pass this guy in, but apparently not. Okay, then we can do it that way. And if we ever want to give it like a slight variation, randomization using animation nodes, let me save it first. This is AN 2 cycles, object color. We can use like maybe like wiggle, say like combine color. Okay, let's try combine color and HSV and random number. Plug in the seed, and this guy can go into the hue. This one go there. Let me try. So this one gives random color, and we should be able to mix the color, I think, this way. Mix color. So this guy and this guy mix together. So now you see the color can be kind of changing, and of course you can use all kind of number, like maybe Euler filter, or actually number wiggle will work pretty fine here. Let's plug this guy in, and evolutions can be the frame, and then use some math here, and then 0.1 here. Plug that in, and playback. So now it should work. Randomize a little bit, increase the speed, maybe the amplitude 1. So that can be a little bit, maybe that's red, and this guy instead of pink maybe bluish. So you got the idea. There's this random number is a noise wiggle number that's get mixed with our original color. This is the original object color, and this is the noise color, and mix them together we get this color. Wonder we have other color combinations like mix. We don't have like multiply or things like that, but we can always do it in here with a XYZ RGB. We can always separate this guy and then kind of mix the color, and then we get a different result. Yeah, a lot of possibilities here. Scan factor, mix color list. Mix color list. Yeah, maybe this can be interesting as well if you're doing it like this. you can sort of make the color changing. Can do one more thing, combine color and HSV, and then use math here and divide index divided by this guy, mix it into the hue. Now we should have like a rainbow color plug into this guy. So this can change into 1, 2, 3 colors, and then it can repeat if you want. And this actually will work even though, let's say we create more duplicates of these objects and then we update it and have a look. So it looks like this, and then we can change it. See, we get a random color, and we should get like a rainbow color. All kind of possibilities as long you provide the numbers here, so it will work no matter what. Okay, so that's pretty much it for this live noding. So if you want to use cycles and render the object color, you can use animation nodes to pass the data into cycles and by using the vertices. Okay, thanks again for tuning in to BlenderSushi channel. I'll see you in the next live noding video.